Today I am going to discuss regarding practical of BSc Botany Honors Part 2 PPU. So this is the syllabus of practical of Botany Honors. The first topic is the study of living and fossil gymnosperm, their vegetative and reproductive parts. Second is description and identification of an angiospermic plant up to genus only from the families prescribed in your course. So some of the families are given in the syllabus of Botany Honors Part 2 PPU syllabus. So from that you have to choose some genus and write and you have to write about the identification of that angiospermic plant. Third is the test of carbohydrates, lipids, proteins in oil, seeds, pulses, fruits and vegetables. This I have already discussed in previous videos. And fourth is internal anatomy of plant, primary and secondary, both normal and abnormal of angiospermic plant. And fifth is that comment upon spots. This is, you will be given some some species or some plants, and in the exam hall you have to write about it a few lines like identifications and a few characteristics. And then there will be marks will be given on your class records, 5 marks, and 5 marks on your will be given on your viva. So let's start the practical now. So I made regarding Lyginopteris oldhamia. This is gymnosperm, fossil gymnosperm, and this is the structure of frond of Lyginopteris oldhamia. Sorry. This is frond, and this is the TS of primary stem of Lyginopteris oldhamia. So in the first page, at first we will draw the diagram, and then next is about that we will write. So first thing that we will write is a systematic position, then regarding the vegetative parts as given syllabus, then again diagram, and then now from here the reproductive structure starts. So write it a little about reproductive structure. You can write according to your convenience. This is the structure of Lyginopteris oldhamia reproductive structure. Now second is that P. gerardiana. This is living gymnosperm. So Pinus, this I think it will be absolutely asked in practical. Like we were asked about TS of Pinus nidil, which comes under vegetative part of Pinus. So this is vegetative part, TS of young root, TS of old root. They both differ in Pinus. So now this is the TS of old root and this is TS of young root. You can find the difference between the two. And this is now TS of old stem of Pinus, and this is tip of dwarf shoot. Now this is the first diagram, the TS of nidil of P. roxburghi, showing detailed internal structure. This you have to draw in case if you are asked to write about TS nidil of Pinus. Now reproductive structure of Pinus. So this is one part showing the female old female cone megasporophyll, and then mature female cone of Pinus roxburghi. Now the second question was to write about families. So let's start. This I have wrote about Euphorbiaceae and Ricinus communis. It's very important. It was also asked in Viva and as well as in the written practical exam. So this is description regarding Euphorbiaceae family. This is a floral diagram. It is very important to write floral diagram in exam, as well in theory as well as in practical papers. This is identification, which is also at most important. Now I have wrote about Ranunculaceae, Ranunculus scleratus. So some general features about them, and floral formula is also important in floral diagram of Ricinus communis, of Ranunculus. This is Venka rosea, which is also known as Sadabahar, which belongs to the family Apocynaceae. Again, few features and floral formula, then floral diagram, and then identification. This is the order that you will write in the practical exam. Now this is Oxymum santum. As we all know that it is also known as Tulsi. It belongs to the family Lamiaceae, and this is for floral formula Oxymum sanctum. This is floral diagram, this identification. Now Oryza sativa, which is known as rice. And this belongs to the family Poaceae. This is the floral diagram. So it's done.